Welcome back to my Curly Girls and Me. But if this is your first time, welcome to the channel. Today, my daughter, my 17-year-old teenage daughter, Deja, is doing my box braids. Now, check this out. She just learned how to braid like a few days prior to this. Now, this hair comes with 3 bundles in a pack, so we only use one full pack and then 1 bundle of another pack. And the size braids that I got, you'll see, is like medium. And I'm using this Dax edge control that I got in my curl kit box February recently. So this is what she has done so far. And so I call these knotless box braids because the way she does it, I try to get the best footage I could. She was like, for some reason, every time she started to braid, she got in the way of the camera. So she started off braiding my hair, and as you can see, she braids over. I braid under. She braids over, which that's why I like hers better. I like her braiding better than my own braiding because I can braid over, but I just can't braid over fast. So when I'm doing stuff like this, I usually braid under because I can go faster that way. So she usually braids the hair first. She braids it down, and then she takes the hair and braid the hair onto the hair. So then she already have her one piece, which is your hair that's braided down, and then the 2 pieces of hair, and then connect them together, and boom, you got your knotless braid. And I know in some of you it probably looks like a knot at the beginning, but I still think it was just different, her technique, the way she does it and the way she taught herself how to do it. After this, I noticed that I didn't have that many braids on my hair, many plaits. I don't like to call them braids because I believe braids are to the scalp and plaits are not to the scalp. So I'm going to say plaits. So I don't have that many plaits on my head. She said, well, you said you wanted a medium. So next time she does them, she's going to do them fuller. I would have rather them to be fuller, but it was her first time, so she gets a pass. And so when she does them next time, she'll do them much smaller. And so that way they'll be fuller for my head. And so she wanted to rod the ends of my hair. My other daughter said, no, don't rod the ends and leave it straight. That's the way you wear them. But she said, oh, it'll be cute. So I let her go ahead and do what she wanted to do. This is her hairdo, you know. So she did that. We dipped in the hot water and she blow dried it a little bit, and then she took out the rods and she added some of this mousse here, the olive oil mega moisture mousse, onto the braids. And then you'll see that the finished outcome. Thanks for watching. Thumbs it up for her. Thumbs it up for her first time doing some knotless, her version of knotless box braids. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, thumbs up. No, I just said thumbs it up for her. And subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you you'll see us in the next one. So I say the same, that is, keep it real.